Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0741, indicates a performance issue or a stuck-off condition with the torque converter clutch TCC circuit in Honda HRV vehicles from 2016 to 2022. This code often suggests that the torque converter clutch is not engaging or disengaging as it should, which can lead to transmission inefficiencies or engine performance problems. The torque converter is a key component within the continuously variable transmission, CVT, helping to convert engine power into vehicle motion while providing smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. When the TCC is functioning correctly, it effectively locks the engine and transmission to increase efficiency. Depending on the severity of the issue, various symptoms can manifest, ranging from poor acceleration to increased fuel consumption. Before proceeding with troubleshooting, it's essential to follow the general troubleshooting information guidelines to ensure a thorough examination. The key components affected by DTC P0741 include the torque converter clutch, the shift solenoid valve B, and the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. The torque converter clutch is responsible for engaging and disengaging the connection between the engine and transmission, thus optimizing engine RPMs and enhancing fuel efficiency. The shift solenoid valve B controls the flow of transmission fluid, which is vital for proper gear shifting. This solenoid is typically located within the valve body assembly of the transmission. The CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve further regulates the application of the torque converter lockup, ensuring that the vehicle can efficiently utilize power during operation. It is also contained within the valve body assembly, making it slightly more challenging to access. Ensuring these components are functioning correctly is crucial for the overall performance of the Honda HRV, especially in maintaining smooth operation during driving. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0741. A faulty shift solenoid valve B is a common culprit and can prevent proper shifting, significantly impacting performance. If this solenoid fails, it stops managing the flow of transmission fluid effectively, leading to erratic gear shifts or even complete transmission failure. Another significant factor could be a faulty CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. When this solenoid isn't functioning, it prevents the torque converter from engaging correctly, which negatively affects fuel economy and driving behavior. Lastly, issues within the hydraulic circuit can also contribute to this DTC. Hydraulic problems can include leaks or blockages that impede fluid flow, causing erratic transmission behavior. Addressing these potential causes is crucial for restoring vehicle performance and reliability. When DTC P0741 is present, a driver may experience several symptoms signaling that the torque converter clutch system is malfunctioning. One of the most immediate symptoms is poor acceleration. The vehicle may feel sluggish due to the inability of the torque converter to lock properly, hindering engine output. Additionally, drivers may notice an increase in RPMs, especially when attempting to accelerate, as the engine struggles to convey power to the wheels. This may create unwanted engine noise and lead to an uncomfortable driving experience. Furthermore, an increase in fuel consumption can also be expected. The inefficient operation of the torque converter leads to wasted fuel and reduced overall performance. Being aware of these symptoms can help drivers act quickly to resolve any underlying issues before they escalate. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0741 involves checking the engine status and ensuring that the vehicle is in the on mode. This initial step is crucial for verifying the DTC status correctly. Afterward, it is essential to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics system HDS to reset any stored codes. Following this, start the engine while in P position, shift to N, and then to D while pressing the brake pedal. Release the brake and conduct a test drive at approximately 37 miles per hour on a flat road for at least 1 minute. This allows the system to operate normally and can reveal whether the issue persists. After the test drive, it's necessary to halt the vehicle and turn off the engine before repeating the same procedure once more. Finally, use the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again to assess if the issue has been rectified. Step 2 involves performing a test on the shift solenoid valve B to ascertain its operational integrity. The solenoid is vital as it regulates the flow of transmission fluid necessary for gear shifting. If the test indicates that the shift solenoid valve B is functioning correctly, you can conclude that this component is not at fault and should proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Conversely, if the solenoid is found to be malfunctioning, it requires replacing the valve body assembly. This is vital for restoring proper shifting and addressing any performance issues linked to DTC P0741. The third troubleshooting step focuses on testing the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve. This component plays a significant role by controlling the locking function of the torque converter, thus directly influencing vehicle performance. If the test reveals that the solenoid valve is operating correctly, it indicates that this component is not contributing to the DTC P0741 issue. In this scenario, the recommendation is to replace either the valve body assembly or the entire torque converter, clean the hydraulic circuit, and ensure no obstructions exist that could impede performance. However, if the solenoid is indeed faulty, replacing the valve body assembly is crucial for restoring proper functionality and resolving the issue. Final repair verification is essential to ensure that all steps taken to resolve DTC P0741 have been successful. Begin by testing the vehicle's operation post-repair to verify that it can accelerate smoothly without unusual RPM increases or jerky movements. Monitoring the engine and transmission during various driving conditions is crucial to confirm consistent performance. After confirming stable operations, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any stored or pending DTCs to ensure that P0741 is cleared. Successful completion of these steps confirms that repairs were effective, thereby helping to prevent recurrence and maintain vehicle reliability. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring the longevity of your Honda HRV's transmission system, particularly concerning the torque converter clutch circuit. Regular fluid checks are essential to ensure proper transmission fluid levels and quality, as degraded fluid can negatively impact solenoid performance. Conducting routine tests for the solenoids can help identify potential issues before they progress to failure, ensuring that components function optimally. Regular system inspections should also be incorporated into a maintenance routine, focusing on the hydraulic circuits and solenoids to preemptively address any wear or potential failures. Taking these preventive steps can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P0741 in the future and bolster overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0741 and the associated symptoms, potential causes, and troubleshooting steps is crucial for maintaining your Honda HRV's performance. The key components involved, such as the torque converter clutch, shift solenoid valve B, and CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, all play significant roles in ensuring that the transmission operates smoothly. It's essential to conduct thorough diagnostic checks and follow a structured troubleshooting approach to accurately identify and resolve the underlying issues. Preventive maintenance strategies, such as regular fluid checks and solenoid tests, can help avoid the recurrence of this DTC in the future. By staying proactive in your vehicle maintenance, you can secure long-term reliability and optimize the performance of your Honda HRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.